In this video, I'm going to be talking about the KWTCN wallet and their ongoing airdrop. So make sure to watch this video to the end. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you an amazing project called KWTCN Wallet and their ongoing free airdrop. Currently, KWTCN is giving out 5,000 tokens for free for new users that just sign up, and that token worth 1,500 USDT. So all you have to do is to register on this platform. So don't worry, I'm going to show you guys step by step on how to sign up. And to sign up on this project, you need an invitation code. Don't worry about that. I'm going to put it on the screen or in the description of this video. To sign up is very easy. All you have to do is to check the description of this video or download the KWTCN Wallet application to your smartphone. After you download the application, sign up. If you come to the place they are asking for referral code, make sure to input the code you are seeing on the screen. So once you are done doing that, make sure to back up your seed free. It will automatically take you to this place once you are done with your registration. So you automatically get 750 USDT on Ethereum and another 750 on Tron, making it 1,500 USDT. That is not all. This is how you can still accumulate more token. You click on this invite icon here. So once you click on the invite icon, you can copy your invitation code and invite your friends. The more people join through your code, the more token you earn. And that is not still all. So under the screen here, you are going to see C2C. This C2C, you are going to click on it. Then you click on task. You are going to see tasks here. So you can see a lot of tasks here. Join their Telegram group. You earn 200 SVERV token. I hope you can see. Once you follow them on X, you earn another 200 SVERV token. You can see another task here. Subscribe to their YouTube channel. So make sure to complete all these tasks, and you also earn more rewards. It's very simple and straightforward. Remember, this is completely free. You are not paying any money. Just sign up and collect your free token. And that is not all. They still have a referral system where you invite your friend and earn more reward. When you invite your friend, you get 400 SVERV token, which worth 120 USDT for each friend that register with your invitation code. If your friend then invites someone, you get another 350 SVERV token, which is about 105 USDT. And if that person invites someone else, you still earn 250 SVERV token, which is about 75 USDT. So that basically means the more people you invite through your link, the more reward you earn. There is also another program called the Nude program for people with bigger network. If you have a bigger community like YouTube channel, Telegram channel or Facebook page, you can apply for something called the Nude program. Basically, the bigger your team, the higher your level and the more percentage you earn. It goes from 1% to 13%. You start as a junior node with just 15 people. The top level, which is honor node, need 1,000 people and earn up to 13%. And again, this is an incentive program, not a guaranteed income. Keep that in mind. I know you will ask, is this project legit? Here is what you should check. The project has an official website and a white paper you can read. They also have public smart contracts on Tron and Ethereum, which means anyone can go and check it out. They are also listed on third-party platforms and have compliance registration. I'll drop all the link in the description of this video so you can go and check everything out by yourself. Remember, in crypto, it's always good you do your own personal research. Don't just take my word for it. And after you sign up on this platform, I will advise you to join their official Telegram group so that you don't miss out on any updates, or when they announce the TGE, you don't miss out. The link is going to be in the description. Just click on it and join. Quick reminder, this video is for information and educational purpose only. Remember, in crypto, it's always good you do your personal research. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this post, share with all your friends, and click on the link in the description to join our Telegram channel for more updates about crypto airdrop, crypto project, crypto job, Web3 job, anything crypto related or anything that has to do with making money online. So see you in my next post.